traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another technical analysis candlestick chart online trading we have weekend, yes, still weekend, and the market is closed. And as European trader, I do not have the OTC market, so I will do this kind of technical analysis and candlestick chart analysis videos, yes, about those trades which I have already done, to explain more in detail how to do this kind of technical analysis, and based on price action and on candlestick chart analysis. So all those trades and all those things which I'm explaining are, like always, explained in detail in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and much more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So I will not refer always to those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook. That is your mission, yes. If you have watched all those videos and understood the concepts, you will recognize which kind of concept is now that one, which is this one which I'm naming here. And let's start immediately into going into the trades. So let's see, where is this video? Here we have this video here. And first of all, I will show you what is here the topic about. So we have here this kind of nice ranging market here, yes, with forming a double top here. You see this second top is lower than the first top. Here is the neckline. The neckline is almost a 20 EMA. You see here how this area is broken. We got a consolidation area here, a retracement, and then the downtrend started over. Yes, a nice downtrend with this kind of tricky part at the between the 100 and the 200 EMA, where price starts to consolidate, yes, and that would be a tricky part where you could get out of the money, yes, because of this dojis, yes, depending obviously if you would understand. But those one who are following my videos would understand that here in between is no trade, because here we are in consolidation area between the 200 and the 100, and the only part where you could trade is at the edges, where I'm pointing here at the edges of the EMAs, yes, because that would put your odds on your favor, in your favor. So we have a downtrend, but the problem here is almost that we have a flat 200 EMA, and what I have explained this often, where if you have a flat 200 EMA or flat 100 EMA and price is going to break through it, you can mostly expect that price will range around it. We got a Bollinger squeeze here. That was a Bollinger squeeze maybe long ago, yes, because here is already the ranging part. Yes, here we have ranging market, and now we are getting here a breakout, and here you see the breakout. Yes, now we broke through the 200 EMA. This candle shows already yes, already buying pressure, yes, because of this this huge wick here, yes, at this 1.171 round number. So let me see, yes, that was already all those things which you should know. Yes, we are coming from a ranging market, we got a breakout. At some point this kind of downtrend should be over, yes, and so let's see what I have done here. So the candle is closing. We have now something like a pin bar, yes, and I'm entering into a call due to this kind of rejection, yes, this rejection of this wick here, because it's bigger than this red candle. This was already a big candle which showed already a little bit of exhaustion, yes, and this wick here at the 1.17 with the rejection showed me that price would probably going up further, and that was the reason why I entered here into a call, because we have, this is only a trade which you can do only if you have a flag 200 EMA, yes, else this trade would have been gone out of money, only because this kind of pin bar, yes, bearish pin bar could be a nice continuation pattern, yes, almost, because also it was below the 2 deviation lower Bollinger Band, yes, and that was tricky, yes. You have to be experienced, and you have to understand that that call was only based on this market condition, because we are coming, okay, I have to, because we are coming from a ranging market, and we broke the 200 EMA. And this week here, in this context, it was a clear call. This call was based because we are here getting a reversal. Yes, a reversal part. We are going above the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. We are creating here nothing else than a bullish engulfing candle. Yes, the entry point was not the best. I entered a little bit too early, yes, because I should try to enter below this kind of area, yes, below this closing price of the previous bullish candle. But anyway, because we are far away from the 200 EMA, yes, and I was expecting that price would range here around the 200 EMA, yes, that was also not, so was okay, yes, because at the end I was expecting. But if it would be a doji or something like this, it would be out of the money, like that, what it's now showing, yes. But because this candle here showed me already that there would come up a reversal, that we are going ranging around the 200 EMA, I entered into this call on the first movement, yes, of this running candle. So, and that is going up, yes, the 1.1715 is doing some resistance, yes, is doing some kind of resistance. So, but you see it's going up, yes, and that will be nice in the money. So we broke now this round number, the 1.1715. Yes, we broke this area. But because we are getting also against the 200 EMA again, which is now acting like a resistance. Yes, you see here support, and now this will be resistance. It's a little bit before this, yes, but you have to imagine that it can be also that it's not a line, it's mostly the area, yes, and this makes part of this area, and that's the reason why price starts to reverse from this level. So let's see what I have done here. That was also a trade, no trade for this, because the purchase time passed by, and I was expecting that this candle here was touching this support level to do a call. Yes, but on the last candle this didn't happen. So I'm waiting for the next candle, because after this candle broke this area here, yes, this support and resistance area, and because we are here ranging around the 200 EMA, yes, okay, here I saw now a small wick, that was a small wick which touched this kind of support level, yes, and I'm explaining, and then I'm entering, not, I don't know when, it was already the time to enter into a call, yes, but I'm waiting for the last few seconds, yes, maybe it was, I would have entered already earlier into this trade, to be honest, yes, but I was not sure what's happening, yes, but from this rejection, I would have entered earlier into this trade, because I would understand that it would be a support level now. Yes, we got here resistance, here we got support, yes, and after price gets back to this level, this area will act as support again, yes, and that was what this kind of trade was about. So that was already really easy and small and short explanation of these 3 trades here, based on the ranging around the 200 EMA. Yes, maybe on the next candle there would be another rejection. Yes, that would be a sign that there would be a consolidation area around this 200 EMA. Yes, but this should have been seen due to the rejection maybe from this level. You could enter into a call, but I would be much more carefully, because it shows more that this resistance area will act still acting like a resistance. Yes, and then I would prefer to do a put here, because also the market is showing here more the potential to going down than up, because you see the 20 is pointing down, the 50 is pointing down. Yes, and that would be already nice sign that there's still a downtrend coming up. So, okay, that was already. If you like this video, do like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.